No personal property is bigger and more coveted to an individual than home ownership that is usually paid for over a lifetime. Toward this end and in line with government's economic working agenda, the President spearheaded today's joint DHUSD and Pag-ibig Housing Exposition that featured thousands of affordable dwellings built by the nation's top 50 home developers made available through Pag-ibig loans. Our Kenneth Paciente fills us in with more.
Carissa and her family need to leave their home after losing their case.
Natalo ang City Hall against dun sa Hacienda. So ngayon, naghahanap kami ng bahay dito para makalipat na lang kami. Then kasi yung lupa na yun, ibabalik na sa may-ari.
To help them find a new place to live, Carissa and her husband visited the National Housing Expo 2025 in Pasay City, which was launched today led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. With the joint efforts of the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development and Pag-ibig Fund, the event features thousands of home properties from the country's top 50 developers that can be availed through the Pag-ibig Housing Loan. In addition, about 30,000 Pag-ibig acquired assets are also being offered to the public with discounts of up to 40%.
Sa Housing Expo na ito, makikita natin ang bunga ng pagtutulungan ng gobyerno, pribadong sektor at ng mga tinatawag nating housing agency. Handog dito ang iba't ibang serbisyo mula sa pagpaplano ng disenyo ng bahay, financial assistance, hanggang sa pagproseso ng housing loan.
Dito nakalatag na lahat. Tapos may mag-aasikaso sa'yo na ito po, itong bagay sa inyo, ito ang payment terms. Kasi pag sa tao kami bumili, medyo palipat-lipat pa eh.
Mas mura kasi dito. Kaysa po kung pupunta kami through agent, siyempre dito direkta na. Makakapili ka pa po kung na mga bahay na mas mura.
Although the President recognizes that owning a home remains a challenge for many Filipinos, he assured that the government continues to take steps to address this, especially through the implementation of the expanded Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program. He added that this initiative has been further strengthened through the collaboration of the government's shelter agencies and the private sector.
Ngayong taon lang, itong taon lamang, sa pamamagitan ng Pag-ibig, mahigit 57,000 miyembro ang nabigyan ng pagkakataon na makalipat sa sariling bahay o mapaayos ang kanilang tinitirahan. Kasabay nito, halos 75 bilyong piso rin ang naipamahagi na cash loan. Nakatulong ito sa halos 3 milyong miyembro para tugunan ang kanilang agarang pangangailangan.
In celebration of National Shelter Month, the President also announced the awarding of notices of approval by the government. Beneficiaries from Los Baños, Laguna, Lucena City, Iloilo City, and Caloocan City will receive certificates of entitlement under presidential proclamations.
Ilan lamang ito sa mga patunay na ang pangarap basta't sinamahan ng tiyaga at may suporta mula sa pamahalaan, sa pribadong sektor, lahat ng sektor ng ating lipunan ay kayang maging realidad. Ang bahay ay hindi lamang istruktura. Sa tahanan, unang nahuhubog ang pagkatao, umuusbong ang pag-ibig at binubuo ang mga pangarap. Kaya't hanggat may mga Pilipinong nagnanais ng sariling tahanan, hindi po titigil ang pamahalaan sa aming pagkilos.
The National Housing Expo will run until tomorrow, October 24. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.